Here I am laying on the floor. I'm going to show you what we checked. This is the newest test. How to check if the bogey bearings are shit or not. I got me a dial indicator here on the bogey. Alright, Kyle, go up. And he's jacking way in the back. Should go back to 0. He must have let the jack down all the way. Is that all you got?
Sure.
Alright, I'm going to re-zero this thing. Whoop, hang on. Alright, let her down. Well, that's not consistent. Do it again. Well, no wonder. Hang on.
Huh?
I had to dial the thing loose here. I had my indicator was loose on the old stem. Alright, we're going to do this one more time. This sucks having it. Fussy damn things. Alright, now let her down slow. Holy wah! This one is 6.5 thou. So according to that thing, whatever 1 millimeter is, I'm thinking we're over 1 millimeter. I have to do the conversion. Do it one more time, just because you gotta be an average kind of guy. You can't hardly see it by the eye, but Could go back to 0. That's all she's got?
And Jack's junk.
Snuffy. This indicator is kind of Chinese too, but still pretty damn sensitive. Alright. Yeah, 6.5 to 7 thou. So I would say that shot, yeah. Alright, we're gonna do it on the other side again, or are we good with the other side? We know they're both bad. Alright. Bad within the Ponsse standards. So, just thought I'd teach you something. Okay? Kyle's way back there and he says, hi. 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 Why do you keep doing that?
I asked you if you could see any play in those pins.
You what?
Can you see any play in the pins?
You're just making sure it's tight then, in other words. Right? None. Wow. That's a lot. Okay. You're going to tell me where that dipstick is then. Stick dip, as Yoni used to say. Stick dip. So what do you all think of that?